Looking for the best tactical pens? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 tactical pens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, TakeFlight, Tactical Pen and LED Flashlight. In addition to offering standard features, it stands out for its built-in LED flashlight and bottle opener. Lightweight, made of aircraft aluminium. A multi-purpose, lightweight tool at a reasonable price with few reported issues. Doesn't have a cap, but this is a minor fault considering all it has to offer. At number 2. Sminiker Professional, Defender Tactical Pen Aircraft Aluminium. Both lightweight and heavy duty, thanks to aircraft aluminium material that stands up to tough use. Has a sturdy clip that attaches securely. Affordable. A solid buy if you are looking for a basic lightweight tactical pen with a sturdy build. The ink cartridges have been reported to wobble when writing. At number 1. Gerber, Impromptu Tactical Pen. Tough machined steel housing, practical pen function, and dependable glass breaker. Writing function works in wet or dry conditions. Expert engineering gives this pen superb tactical marks without diminishing normal utility. Expensive and heavy. Push button occasionally sticks. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.